Hello, teacher. Good afternoon. I'm gonna be explaining to you the data table results. I work with students from the 5th grade, group B. We have a total of 45 students, as we can see here on this table. And these are the grades that their final grades, okay? All right, I will be explaining the different columns, and we will be getting some data. We're gonna get the mode, the mean, the median, and some other data, which is the correlation, critical tendency, and standard deviation. And we'll be using this formula for that. We will also be getting the beta and the beta theta. Those results will be written down here. Okay, so we have 45 students. As you can see, 45, and this is their final results. It is shown on the second column over here. All right, we have to get the third column, the XY. So for this, we have to multiply X by Y. That's how we get it. To save some time, all we have to do to get the rest of the results, since we have already formulated the column, all we have to do is drag the numbers down like this. I had already previously made the summatory. I used the sigma symbol to get this result. Over here, we just click over here on this symbol, and you get the summatory, the sum of all the data. And all you have to do is formulate the rest over here to get the result. However, now we'll be working on x squared. To get x squared, we have to multiply x by x. So we multiply by itself, we get the result. If we double click here on the corner, you will automatically get the results. As you can see, it's gonna happen the same thing with y squared. We have to multiply this by itself, like that. All right. So we have already all the data that we need. Now we have to get the mode, the mean, and the median. We use their final result, the final grades, the students' final grades, and we have to filter it from smallest to largest. Here we can see the filter. All right. The mode is the amount that repeats most of the time, that repeats the most in the results. So that amount is the number 10. So the mode, it's the number 10. The mean, it is the number of students divided into the total amount of the grades. So the result is going to be 8.86, as you can see down here. 8.86. And the median, as we can see, we have 45 students. If we divide that in half, we're going to have 22 on one side, 22 on the other side. And the number 23 is going to be our median. In this case, that's going to be the number 10. One more time. That's the number 10. All right. So there it is. Now, we have to use graphics for this. So we're going to use a little graphic. Just select the student's grades, click on insert, and insert the graphic. There it is. We're gonna make it a little bigger, and we can write on it. It's just final results. Sorry, final results. 5th grade. Okay. All right, so we have already the mode, the mean, the median, the graphic. Now we are going to work with the formulas. We have the first formula. All right. It says number n is going to be multiplied by the summatory of x, y. So the number n is going to be the total amount of students, which are 25 students. That's the total amount of students multiplied by the summatory of x, y. This is it. And then the second operation, it's the summatory of x multiplied by the summatory of y. There it is. And down below we have n, which is 45 multiplied by the summatory of x squared, close the parenthesis, minus the summatory of x to the second power. So it's x by x. There it is. Now, second operation, it is open parenthesis, it's n multiplied by the summatory of y squared minus, open parenthesis, the summatory of y to the second power. There it is. And as you can see in this formula up here, after we got these results, we have to divide. I mean, first we have to square root this result, this one. All right, so we have to get the formula raíz, select the number, close parenthesis. We do the same steps over here, raíz, select the number, close parenthesis. And then we have to multiply these two amounts. So it is this amount by this amount. All right, we have this result. And let me check. All right, give me 1 minute. This by this, hold on. Like this, multiply. All right, let me check. Hold on. Okay, I am missing one step over here. This, we have to do this minus this amount. All right, so there it is. Okay, to get the R, all we have to do is divide this into this. And there it is. We have the Y number over here. Hold on. All right, now we're gonna get SR. This is a formula. So to get SR, we have to first do this operation, 1 minus R squared. That means R by R. Then down below it's N, which is 45, minus 2. We have 43. And we have to get the formula, which is raíz, to get the square root. Hold on. First, no, I'm sorry. First, it's not right. I'm sorry. First, we have to divide this into this. All right, there it is. And here is where we're gonna have this. Raíz, select the number, close parenthesis, and there we have the result. So now we have R, we have SR. To get TC, all we have to do is divide R, which is this one, divided into this one. And here we have the result already. All right. Now we're gonna work on the beta formula. So it's N, which is 45. Open parenthesis first. All right, there it is. Multiply by the summatory of x, y, close parenthesis, minus summatory of x, multiply by summatory of y, close parenthesis. There's the result. We go down. Same process. I'm sorry. 45 multiply by summatory of x squared, close parenthesis, minus summatory of x to the second power, which is x by x, of course. There it is. All right, and there we have the result, and all we have to do is divide them. Just like this, divide it into this. All right, that's a result for first beta and then beta theta. Same process, summatory of y minus, open parenthesis, first result, multiply by summatory of x, close parenthesis. And then we divide that into 45 students, and our result is going to be 8.91. So, all right, these are the results. R minus 0.01, SR 0.15, TC minus 0.10, V minus 0.00, and theta beta 8.91. So that is the explanation for these data table results from the 5th grade. Thank you very much for your patience, and thank you very much for the knowledge that you have been sharing with us, Professor. You have a wonderful day.